Good morning, everybody. OS. Today, the 16th of January, we at Bujutsu, India's premier institute for training and research in martial arts, invites you for an outdoor training class. Have a look at the training and do join us for outdoor training session in fresh air. This training is conducted at Chhatrabhuj Nursery School, located at Kandivali East in Mumbai. Keep watching the video and do subscribe to our channel Bujutsu India. Warm up. Warming up helps prepare your body for karate activity. A warm up gradually revs up your cardiovascular system by raising your body temperature and increasing blood flow to your muscles. Warming up may also help reduce muscle soreness and lessen your risk of injury. A proper warm-up has to be done with proper set of breathing. When you breathe in, your diaphragm has to inflate, and so as you breathe out, your diaphragm has to deflate. Proper breathing is very important and is the key to freeing up your body and having a flexibility at the required level. When you do any sort of exercises, you should always do it slow first and gain momentum gradually. Slow training helps you to reduce the injury levels and tones up the muscles properly without putting too much of pressure on the joints. It is good for mobility as well when you go in for full speed training. So slow training builds up your base for fast training which can be taken up. That's the reason you need to start your exercises very slowly, gradually, with proper breathing capacity. This exercise improves posture and balance, strengthens and stretches the spine and neck, stretches the hips, abdomen and back, increases coordination, creates emotional balance, and relieves stress and calms the mind. Importance of proper body alignment. Proper body alignment can help prevent excess strain on your joints, muscles and spine, alleviating pain and reducing the likelihood of injury. As a bonus, correct posture can boost your productivity and mood, as well as help you use your muscles more efficiently. So having a proper body alignment through karate training is very, very important. Here you see everyone practicing Kihon. What is Kihon in karate? Kihon is a Japanese term meaning basics or fundamentals. The term is used to refer to the basic techniques that are taught and practiced as the foundation of most Japanese martial arts. Kihon techniques are the key for making your karate more stronger, better, and efficient. At Bujutsu India, we teach authentic Budo Karate as per our parent organization in Japan, the Karate no Michi World Federation. This karate training not just helps to develop good muscles and joints, but is more realistic and can be used as an important tool for self-defense, for survival. There are 4 aspects to our training. joint and muscle compression, expansion, rotation, and explosion. So you develop the kinetic chain of energy which is required to create a single overpowering strike. Ray. Yoi. Taikoku Shodan. Ich, ni. Sam. Shi. Go. Look. Si charge. Q. Chu. Ich. Ni. Sam. Shi. Go. Look. Six. Hutch. Q. Chu. Hai kata, hai kuku shodan. Ich, ni. Sam. She. Go. Look. Sit. Hutch. The place where we train in karate is called a dojo. It can be a hall or an outdoor environment like this one. But every place is sacred. We consider it as a temple of learning. So we have a set of rules in a dojo which are said as dojo kun. Dojo kun.
Dojo kun. One.
Seek perfection of character.
To seek perfection of character.
One. Be honest and faithful.
To be honest and faithful. One.
Respect others.
To respect others. One.
To endeavor.
One.
Refrain from violent behavior.
To refrain from violent behavior.
There is a purpose of the dojo kun, and the purpose is to remind all of the students in the dojo, regardless of their rank, that the physical, mental and spiritual growth that they enjoy as a byproduct of their karate training must also extend beyond the dojo walls. Os.
दोजो कुन
Dojo kun.
एक
एक.
अच्छे चरित्र का पालन करे।
अच्छे चरित्र का पालन करें।
एक सच्चे और ईमानदार बने।
सच्चे और ईमानदार बने।
एक मेहनत और लगन से काम करे।
मेहनत और लगन से काम करें।
एक दूसरों का आदर करे।
दूसरों का आदर करें।
एक हिंसा का त्याग करे।
हिंसा का त्याग करें।
I feel more comfortable in this outdoor training. I feel more happy doing this that first after 1 year I am doing karate in outdoor training. Thank you.
Good morning. It feels really nice. First of all, it feels good to see sir and ma'am in person after almost a year, and it feels good to be outdoors, and really appreciate this initiative by sir and ma'am to start conducting outdoor sessions, and definitely all the in terms of safety and all that precautions are definitely maintained. There is social distancing, and we also have masks. At the same time, at the entrance also we have all the precautions. It feels really great to train outdoors in the open air, and yes, looking forward to attending these sessions on a weekly basis. Thank you.